Two beautiful Land Cruisers by Land Cruiser Restorations. This first one you're looking at here is an FJ62. It has a 5.3 Chevy Vortec with a 6L80E automatic transmission. And it's fitted for off-road adventures. The second one you're looking at here is an FJ60. It has an LS3, puts out about 426 horsepower, and it also has a 6L80E automatic transmission. We're going to show you a little bit of the interior on both of these cruisers, kind of give you an idea of some of the creativity and the things we do. Let's walk around real quick and take a look at some of the interior. These are all custom-made door panels to whatever you desire, whatever pattern or color will accommodate anything. Seats are done in a marine grade vinyl. The center console is one that we provide and build. It's pretty neat. It's got a nice little cushion on top. It's an armrest. Like I said, this is an LS3, and the sticky note there is we're still going through the break-in procedure. Really like these Deegan 33s. Give it the old retro, old school look. This client wanted to keep it a sleeper, stock appearing. Guy out of Montana, beautiful country. Here's the LS3. Fits in there nicely, kind of looks factory. This is a custom-made radiator that we have made by Champion, 3-core aluminum. Now let's step over here to the FJ62. The guy is actually due to pick this up this morning. He's coming up from Oklahoma City. These are rigid industry lights on the bumpers. We really like those. These are Grote LED headlights. And here's the Vortec 5.3 Chevy. It's a repurposed engine. Kind of help folks that don't have a lot of money to spend but really love this 60-62 series. Cold air intake. Let's take a look on the inside. The driver's cabin. Those are stock door panels, just powered windows like all the 62s. Again, the marine grade vinyl. Put a full screen in here with Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera. This roof rack really fits nicely. You can make a lot of attachments for it. This has a rear converter, custom sound. And if you like the blacked out look, this is the way to go. We really like the Pro Comps. These are rock sliders / running boards that we make. They're really solid, they're very heavy. They have dual purpose, easy to get in and out, but if you high center, they're also there to protect you. So these guys are going to see if they scoot down the highway here in a minute. If you're interested in a custom-made Land Cruiser, 60-62 series, or any Land Cruiser, give us a call. We'll take your design and make it happen. Gotta love that sound of that LS3.